Everybody chill.
Hi YouTubers. I just came on tonight just to show you a couple things that I made. Tomorrow I'm going to make this one. And this one is really easy. I'm going to make a shorter version of this one right now so you can see it. It's real easy, but this is really cute. It's on leather cording. I think the cording is 3 mm. And it's just 3 beads. You put that on you put it on the end cap of the leather cording. You use 3 leather cords. Stick them in here first and glue it. Then you put a jump ring on there. Add your beads to your real cute beads to the jump ring. And then put an end cord on this piece on the other side right here. Put an end cord right there, and connect the lobster to it. And of course, the cording is 7 inches times 2 to make it double, to wrap around your wrist when you're wearing it. It's real cute. So if someone needs me to make that, I will, but it's easy to make. Like I said, you can look at it and tell what you need, and you can look at it and tell how to make it. Just add your beads to the jump ring that's on the end of this cap right here, and then you just put your other cap right there, and you use 2 leather end cordings. This one, I like this one, but I don't like the end caps, the end cording that I put on here. I don't know why, but when I make something, I have to really like it, and I don't like this. So tomorrow I'm going to make this again, and I'm going to use blue suede. I'm going to use blue suede for these leather pieces right here instead of leather. Okay? I'm going to use blue suede. And I'll show you how to make that. It's just these two little heart pieces, or whatever pieces you like to put on there. It's 2 caps, 2 little ball caps, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads of your choice. And then of course measure it so it'll only be like 7 inches. The bracelet will be 7 inches. And then choose your end cording right here. And I'll make this one tomorrow, so so just be looking out for that one, because I'm going to make it tomorrow on blue suede cording to match this, because I think that's going to look cute. Alright, so let me make this bracelet right quick. I've already made and connected the end part, because I didn't want to wait. I knew it was going to take time for the glue to dry. So what I did was tried to get a head start on everything. I've already added my end cap to this, and this is one of those little leather cordings that you find in any store like Joann Fabrics or Michaels or anything like that. These can be found online as well. It's nice for a men's bracelet or a women's bracelet. And of course, add your beading. First you add an end cap. Here's the end cap right here, except this is the end cap to put on the other end. First you add an end cap, then to the end cap you add your jump ring, which is a regular jump ring. This is kind of big, but you know, I'm just showing you what a jump ring looks like. You add a jump ring to the end cap because it's going to have a little hole on it, so you add a jump ring to that. And then you add your beads, whatever type of pretty beads you want to put on the end of there. These little beads are like, they're blue, and then I added a little heart to it. So that was kind of cute. So, let's get going. I don't know what I did with my glue. Okay. So, I'm just going to put a little glue in this cap right here. Just going to put a little glue in here. And, like I said, I had already did the other one because it takes time for this glue to stick. Let me put a little glue on here too. Just a little, because you don't want to overdo it. I don't know about y'all, but I love making jewelry. So, just stick it in here. Stick it in the end cap. And I'm showing you this because you can double this. You can double it times 7 and make a double one if you want. Take it and hold it. And that's what that leather one was that I just showed you a few minutes ago. It's double, and you can make that with leather cording, which is really cute. So, this is just a single one. And I'm showing, it's just, the other one is made the same exact way, except the cording is longer. It's double, so you can double wrap it around your wrist, because I know one of the trends is those bracelets are double wrapped around the wrist. So take it and this is the same exact thing. I added 3 beads to the end of it, and that's it. So I don't know if this is long enough and I know it's not. And just in case you get any glue on the sides, just take it and wipe it off real quick, because this is going to dry it real fast. Now this chain that's on the end of here, I'm going to take that off of here. So just give me a second to take that off of here. I'm not going to leave that on here. You can leave it on there if you need it, if it's somebody that has a bigger wrist. You can leave that chain on there for that. But you don't have to. You don't have to keep that chain on there, so I would suggest taking it off if you want to, because it comes with those. I think it comes with the end cap. So I'm just going to take mine off. And oh boy, they're almost messed up the whole thing here. Trying to cut it off. Okay, there it goes. So it's off. And I still got my 3 beads connected. And my end cap is on here. Like I said earlier, I had already put the end cap on there because it takes time for this to dry. I don't know if it's ready, but I'm going to try to close it so you can see how this looks. And just close it around your cap. And it's ready. And that's it. And that's cute. So, that's another bracelet. And tomorrow, I'll be back to show you how to make that other one. So, here's the brown one. Here's the brown one. Let's see my little beads. Try and show you the beads. Here's the brown one, just really cute. Here's the black one. The black one is just like the brown one, except it's double the string. So that's both of them together. They have the same sort of like beads on the end of them. And the black one is just like the brown one, like I said, except it's double string. And it's double 7-inch bracelet. So it's 14-inch cord. It's 14-inch cord, and that cord, dog, I wish I had the thing, but I think I threw it away because I had came to the end of it. I needed to buy another one. And I'll get the measurements of the caps so you can know what size the end caps are too. But that's my video for tonight, and of course here's the one that I'm gonna make tomorrow with the blue suede. Okay, alright, see you guys later. Bye bye.